Hello everyone, this is Doris. This time I will prepare a simple and quick recipe. They call it aperitif. In English is appetizer. The children love this, of course the adults too. And this is all my ingredients. It's only 5 ingredients. This is mustard, egg yolk, sausage, grating cheese, and puff pastry. This is all the material I will use. Come on, I will show you. Start by spreading out the puff pastry dough. This dough can found in the bakery or supermarket. Afterward, flatten it with a ruler baking so that you can have a nice proportion. Then add mustard, recovering all the surface on the top, applying with a pastry brush by the way you using French mustard. Do not use any sweet mustard. Then slice the way you roll it. It depends on the amount that you wish for. Scattered or sprinkle the cheese over, recovering every surface of the pastry. Then we are now going to proceed into slicing our sausage. Unless you have brought a cocktail sausage which is already small, and you may skip this step. With oven tray, add some non-stick baking paper, flatten it. Then start rolling the sausage with the pastry. Then add every mini roll sausage into the oven tray. Apply egg yolk on the top of the sausage roll. Then, start baking it from 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Voila! Now it's ready to serve. Some of them is not perfect. But you know there's nobody perfect. Hoping you like my video as much as my recipe. Thanks for watching. Voila! This is the final result. Quick and easy to make. And hope you like my video and my recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Even in my Facebook. You have to follow. No, you will follow me. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Sa susunod na. And the next video. Bye-bye!